All right. Well, Tom Thompson came paddling past. I'm pretty sure it was him. And he spoke so softly in accordance with the growing of the dim. He said, bring me a brand new renaissance, 'cause I think I'm ready. And I've been shaking all night long, and my hands are steady. And three pistols came, and three people went on their way. Three pistols strong, and three people spake. Well, he found his little lonely love, his bride of the northern woods. But she took me to the opera house like he said she would. And then she sighed and she fell from the balcony. Shakespeare's band to touch. But she never had any time for me, 'cause I didn't protest enough. And three pistols came, and three people went on their way. Two pistols strong, and two people spake. All right, all right, all right, all right. Well, little girls, come on Remembrance Day, placing flowers on his grave. She waits in the shadows so long at the dark, and then she sweeps them all away. I said, now bring me a brand new renaissance, 'cause I think I'm ready. And I've been shaking all night long, but my hands are steady. And three pistols came, and three people went on their way. Three pistols strong, and three people spake. And three pistols came, and three people went on their way. One pistol strong, and three people spake. All right, 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 yeah.
7 Live K-Rock live in the studio.